Hello guys, this is KexCV. Today I'm going to show you how to create a slow motion in Sony Vegas Pro 14. Let's get started. First, find the beginning of the frame you want to slow down and put your cursor there, and you may use the keyboard shortcut S to cut it, and then find the end of the event and do the same. Place your cursor there and cut that also. Now click in the middle of the frame that you right click in the middle of the frame that you're trying to slow down, and then point to insert remove envelope, and then click on velocity. This puts a green line in the frame that you are trying to change the velocity. To the left side of the green line is a little dot over there. You right click on that dot, and then you can select whichever speed you want. By default there is a 20%, 40%, and a 50%. Now this assumes that the original speed is 100%. So should you click on 50%, it will slow down the playback like half to half. So it's like it will be 50% slower than the original or the normal velocity. If you click on 40%, that means it will be let's say 3 times slower than the original. And then if you click on 20%, it will be like 4 times slower than the original. So with this tutorial, let me just first click on the 20% and see how it actually changes the velocity of the playback. Alright, now this was recorded at the same speed, so let me play the initial part that is not been altered and see how fast it goes. And then when it gets to the session we worked on, look at how it slows it down. This is at 20%. Alright, and then once it gets to the end, the other end of it, it will play normal. But let's hold on and let's go back there. Let me show you another trick. You may want to slow it down to a different speed than the default ones given. You have 3 default speeds over there. The first one is 20%, which is slower. The lower the number, the slower the playback. And then you have 40% and 50%. Now the question is, what if you want to slow it down to a specific speed that is not listed up here? What you do is once you right click on the green line, the dot on the left hand side of the green line, you go up here and you will see set to. Now when you click on that, it opens up this small window inside the frame that you want to slow down. And since we selected 20% at first, that's what it's in there. That's what it's showing over there now. Assuming you want to slow it down to 35%, all you have to do is key in the number 35 and press the enter key. And this time it is set to 35, and it will play a little faster than the 20% that we initially selected. And we can go back there and probably change it to, let's set it to 80%. So you key in 80, you press the enter key, and it is set to 80%, which will be much faster. It is 20% less than the normal play. And That's how you do it. So, well, I guess I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care and be safe. Bye bye.